Good morning, students. We have started new lesson. Name of the lesson is the interrelationships between living things. We have started in previous lecture. Now we will see here the further part. Here one activity is given. Now look at here what activity is showing us. Take two small boxes. Now here two small boxes are taken. Label them box 1 and box 2. Fill them 3 quarters with soil. Make the soil moist enough to sow seeds. Means make this soil wet and we have to sow seeds, 2 seeds of sprouted moth. Means what? Sprouted moth in the sense matki. Seeds in each box. Give 2 spoons of water to the soil of box 1. Now you have to give water 2 spoon only. अगदी थोडं थोडं पाणी द्यायचं आहे या बॉक्समध्ये. And for this box too, daily you have to 4 times give the water. Water this plant daily 4 times. Okay, and give 4 spoons of water to the other box 4 times a day. Do this for 6 days. For 6 days, continue this. For 6 days, continue this. For this box only once and for this box 4 times. What will happen? As you are seeing in this picture, in box 1, the seeds are growing well. The plants in the box 1 are growing well. But the plants in box 2 have begun to rot. Rot means suddenly decaying. It started to decay. What does this tell us? Plants that are not aquatic plant cannot grow in marshy areas. आता मटकीची जी छोटी छोटी रोपं आहेत ती दलदलीच्या भागात येतात का? नाही. त्याला त्या प्रमाणातच पाणी पाहिजे. जास्त एक्सेस वॉटर जर झालं तर काय होईल? परिणामी प्लांट कुजून जातात. मीन्स दीज आर नॉट ॲक्वॅटिक प्लांट. मीन्स वॉट? याची नीड काय आहे? या सीडची नीड काय आहे? ती नीड आपण भागवली नाही. व्हॉट इज द नीड? इट रिक्वायर ओनली लेस वॉटर अँड लेस मॉइस्ट सॉइल. If it is marshy, if they get more water then they rot, means decay. Understood student? गरजेपेक्षा जास्त मिळालं की पाणी ते सडून जातं. मीन्स याची गरज कमी आहे. Now we will see another part. Let us take the example of the tiger. A tiger has strips. Strips म्हणजे काय? ह्या अशा काळ्या रेषा असतात. A tiger lies in wait for its prey among tall grasses. लपून राहतो उंच गवतामध्ये टायगर. Its prey cannot see it in the grass because of its stripes. अंगावर असे पट्टे असल्यामुळे लवकर दिसत नाही लपून बसलेला टायगर. There are animals like the deer and nilgai, the nilgai and the bison in grassland. When the tiger is hungry, it can feed on them. For a tiger, there also needs to be a water hole nearby, which never dries up even in the summer. याला सुद्धा पाणी लागतं ना, बरोबर आहे? Sorry. For a tiger, there also needs to be a water hole nearby, which never dries up even in the summer. There must also be dense vegetation, tall grasses or caves in hills or mountains in the area so that the tiger can find shelter. काय काय गरज आहे टायगरची? त्याला पाणी लागतं. वॉटर होल मीन्स पाण्याचं छोटं तळं आणि जे की कधीच नाही सुकलं पाहिजे. देन देअर मस्ट ऑल्सो बी डेन्स व्हेजिटेशन म्हणजे जिथे टॉल ग्रासेस आहेत, केव्ज आहेत, त्याला राहायला केव लागते. इन हिल्स or mountains in the area so that the tiger can find shelter, water and food. These are the 3 basic need of this tiger. Understood? Food, water, shelter. What are the 3 needs of this tiger? food, water and shelter. For food, it is hiding in the tall grasses, living in the caves, and it also get hide himself in the dense vegetation, lives in the caves in the hills, and it find water in water hole. A tiger inhabits an area where all these things are available. जिथं हे सगळं अवेलेबल आहे तिथंच है राहतो. आलं लक्षात? See, where does a tiger live? Tiger live in a cave. Tiger inhabits in the sense lives an area where all these things are available. We get milk, meat, eggs and several other things from animals. Some animals are useful for carrying burdens, म्हणजे लोड कॅरी करण्यासाठी, or drawing carts. Now donkey, bullock, these are used for carrying burdens or drawing carts. Domestic animals are also used to help with the heavy farm work in fields. Bullocks are used in fields. Dogs guard our houses. Sheep give us wool. Means here are few domestic animals which helps us in our farm also as well as at home also. Now few questions are here. Even the excreta of domestic animal is of use to human beings. आपण म्हणतो ना शेणीची गौरी आपण यूज करतो. मीन्स व्हॉट? इट इज द एक्सक्रिटा ऑफ डोमेस्टिक ॲनिमल्स. शेणाचा वापर केला जातो, गोमूत्राचा वापर केला जातो औषधांसाठी, आणि शेणाचा परत त्याच्या गौऱ्या थापून जळण्यासाठी वापर केला जातो. इवन द एक्सक्रेटा ऑफ डोमेस्टिक ॲनिमल इज ऑफ यूज टू ह्युमन बीइंग्स. द डंग ऑफ कॅटल इज मेड इन टू डंग केक्स. ज्याला आपण गौरी शेणी म्हणतो तर त्याला काय? डंग केक्स. दे आर कंबस्टिबल, जळणाला उपयुक्त आहेत. दे आर यूज्ड इन सम प्लेसेस ॲज फ्युअल. When they burn, they give out smoke. A combustible gas called gobar gas. Now this gas is also useful, is also obtained from cattle dung. That too is used as fuel. It burns without smoke. Cattle dung is used for plastering mud houses. Manures made from cattle dung and sheep pellets are good for plants. Sheep pellets means these are excreta of sheep. Pellets are the excreta of sheep which are very good as fertilizers and manures for the plants. Farmers use them for growing crops. Understood, students? See here how this horse is used for carrying the burdens. This boy is sitting over the horse and how they are enjoying. Okay, here means this is the milk. Milk is carrying. This container is carrying milk. Dog which guards our home. This is the kitten, small kitten, which is pet of these two. These two siblings. This is a pet. Okay. Page number 11. Just as we need animals, we need plants. Just as we need animals, we need plants too. Plants give us food grains means धान्य, बरोबर आहे. व्हेजिटेबल्स मीन्स भाज्या आणि फळे. धान्य, भाज्या आणि फळे मिळतात आपल्याला प्लांट्सकडून. वी लव फ्लावर्स टू. फुलं, छान छान रंगीबेरंगी फुलं पण मिळतात. वी यूज देम फॉर मेनी डिफरंट पर्पजेस. वी गेट फ्लावर्स फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. वी ऑल्सो गेट कॉटन वूल फ्रॉम प्लांट्स टू मेक कॉटन क्लोथ्स. मीन्स सी, so many uses are there of these plants. We are getting fruits, vegetables, food grains, flowers. Cotton also we are getting from plant. We grow plants that are useful to us. We grow plants that are useful to us. Methodically we sow seeds. Method काय आहे याची? सुरुवातीला आपण seed sow करतो. We make sure that they get water. वी गिव्ह मॅन्युअर. आपण काय करतो? ज्यावेळेला बियांची पेरणी करतो त्यानंतर त्यांना पाणी देतो, खतं वापरतो, खत घालतो झाडाला व्हेन नेसेसरी. वी स्प्रे पेस्टिसाइड. झाडांना कीटकनाशकांची सुद्धा फवारणी करतो आपण. पेस्टिसाइड इन द सेन्स कीडनाशक. इफ दे आर अटॅक्ड बाय इन्सेक्ट. प्लांट्स टू गिव्ह अस अबंडंटली, पुष्कळ प्रमाणात प्लांट्सकडून आपल्याला मिळतं. दे सॅटिस्फाय आवर नीड्स, आपल्या गरजा भागवतात झाडे. अदर लिव्हिंग थिंग्स ऑल्सो गेट देअर फूड फ्रॉम द एन्व्हायरमेंट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, chameleons eat insect when they are hungry. Some snakes eat mice and frogs. Tigers eat deer. Goats and sheep eat leaves of plants. Cattle eat grass. Means here is a cycle. Means every living thing is depend on another. There is an interrelationship. Other living things also get their food from environment. We living being, everyone is getting from environment. We are eating plants and we are using animals also for our food satisfaction. Now here arboreal is a new term. This word comes from the Latin word arbor, which means tree. Arbor means, this is a Latin word. Arbor means tree. Arboreal means living in trees. Arboreal, जे प्राणी झाडावर राहतात त्यांना काय म्हणायचं? Arboreal. Animals like monkeys and squirrels live on trees. It gives them certain advantages. Being at a height, आता ते झाडावर का राहतात? Monkey and squirrel. Being at a height, they are better able to defend themselves. कारण हे छोटे छोटे, त्यांची पटकन शिकार पण होते, पण ते तितके चपळ पण आहेत. दे कॅन डिफेंड देमसेल्फ, स्वतःला वाचवू शकतात फ्रॉम देअर एनिमीज. बिसाइड्स दे कॅन ईट द फ्रूट्स ऑफ द ट्रीज टू सॅटिस्फाय देअर हंगर्स. त्याचप्रमाणे त्यांची भूक पण झाडावरच भागते. झाडाची छोटी छोटी फळं खातात आणि तिथेच बसून राहतात. अननोईंगली such animals are said to be arboreal. जे झाडावर राहतात, झाडाची फळे खाऊन जगतात, these are called as the arboreal. Unknowingly they help the tree with with whose support they live. As they move around here and there in the surrounding, they spread the seeds of the fruit they have eaten. मग त्यांनी जी झाडाची फळे खाल्ली त्याच्या बिया त्यांच्या एक्सक्रिशनद्वारे इकडे तिकडे पडतात. थ्रू देअर ड्रॉपिंग्स. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस न्यू ट्रीज ग्रो इन डिफरंट प्लेसेस. त्यामुळे अजून वेगवेगळी प्लांट्स उगवतात. सम टाइम्स ऑफ बर्ड्स टू फाइंड ट्रीज यूजफुल फॉर बिल्डिंग देअर नेस्ट. झाडावर पक्ष्यांचे सुद्धा घरटे असते. सी हिअर इन दिस पिक्चर हाऊ ब्युटिफुल दिस पिक्चर इज. हाऊ दिस monkey is swinging, it's enjoying the swinging on this branch. Squirrels are enjoying little fruits, and here is the nest of this sparrow. Understood, student? We will stop here. Thank you.